Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this episode we are going to be tackling the topic of grieving. Yes, grieving is widespread across this earth plane. Why is this? Well, we have a few things going on that we are going to be discussing in this video. If you are suffering from grief, or you know somebody who's suffering from grief, then this is going to be the video for you. If you haven't lost anyone yet, but you are just interested in some of the things that we have to say, then welcome. To all of the long-term viewers of this channel, welcome back. And to all of the new viewers, welcome. I have noticed that 70% of the viewers on this platform are not subscribed, but you watch the content. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the like button if you do enjoy this content, and let's get into this topic. It is going to be very controversial, but hey ho, I'm not going to change or apologise for the person that I am. The grieving process is a humanistic process that each and every one of you go through. As a species, we are all very similar. Whilst we have male and female sex and many other ways of identifying in this day and age, we are human beings. We all have this within us. For those of you who don't know what grieving doesn't just have to be losing a loved one, as in departing us from the materialistic plane. It can be very simple, a relationship breakup. It can be somebody who you aren't going to see again. It can be an old friend that you... there's many things for the grieving, and this is why I thought it would be an interesting video to do. First of all, the onus is on you. When you are grieving, this is a problem that you have. It's not a problem shared, and it's a problem that you should deal with at the root of the cause. For example, if you are unfortunate enough to be watching this video and you have lost someone, you need to accept that they have gone. Now, I know my words there are going to absolutely rip your hearts to pieces and shred it. But the thing is you shouldn't want it sugar-coated. Your loved one may not be with you now, but they are still with you in spirit. And whilst, yes, that's probably no consolation or what you want to hear, but that's the truth of the matter. I can prove, and many other mediums can prove, of your loved one still being with you by giving you evidence, by giving you information that no one else would know. And this is one thing that you have to understand. The onus is on you to accept. The common theme among all grieving, is you. You have to accept that this has happened. A lot of you will just bury it to the back of your mind because you don't want to deal with it today. You want to deal with it a different day. Today is not a good day. We're gonna try and do something about it on a different day. And this is what we all do as human beings. But the longer we put it off, the harder it becomes. Ladies and gentlemen, please hear me when I say this. The first step to overcoming grief is accepting the loss that you have went through. Yes, it's going to hurt. Yes, it's going to be painful. But the thing is it's not going to be any more painful than what you are putting yourself through each and every day you go along. Remember, you are the one that is suffering. You are the one in pain. Part of my message of Help Heal Serve is to help each and every one of you along your divine spiritual path. If I've got to give you a reality check to help you overcome the hurdle of grief, then I will happily do so. And yes, you may not like the way that I say this, but this is on you, my friend. We need to accept so that you can then reconnect with your loved one. As you're going through this with your eyes closed and you're not listening to it isn't real because I'm not accepting it. They've gone. Now, I don't just mean people who have departed us. It could be a loved one. Accept that it's over. Accept that they have moved on. Accept that your life has presented this to you so that you could learn from some of the mistakes, or you can learn from the experiences that you have been through. I know it's very difficult because, here, let's be honest, right? We've all lost people. And I know for me it's a little bit different because when I lose people, I can still talk to them. And I completely get that. And that's why a lot of you might think I'm heartless. But I'm not heartless. I look at the human being part of us and I break it down into processes. So each and every one of you can then start to learn. First of all, for the grieving process, we need to accept. No longer should we put the blinkers on, forget it. There is never going to be a good day to face this, is there? Let's be completely honest. That is the reason why you haven't dealt with it yet. If you are somebody who has dealt with the grieving but it still hurts, newsflash, it isn't going to get any easier. But what we have to do is introduce measures into your world to help you along. Again, it's a bit like having a habit in terms of smoking. When a smoker stops smoking, they still have the ritual of the smoking. Now, you have the ritual of maybe it's not smoking, but having that person in your world. You have become accustomed to that. So when it has been taken away, we now need to fill that void. We now need to work on ourselves. We now need to do things so that we can. And if you have lost a loved one, then in these moments, what I would advise each and every one of you to do is to take a deep breath, to sit alone and think of them, and welcome and embrace any of the feelings, thoughts, emotions that may come over you in those moments. Because mark my words, my friend, that is your loved ones coming through to you. In those moments, you have been taken away from your busy world, and your loved ones are able to unite with you once again in spirit. A lot of you may not believe that to be true, but I'm telling you 100%. It's true to me because I can prove it time and time again. The people that I help connect with the spirit world, the loved ones who I managed to unite once again whilst they are living on this earth plane, I may add. I'm not sending people to spirit. I know it's a difficult topic, and it would be great to think that some of you, I know a lot of you, you have to realise you will only do this when the time is right. It doesn't matter how much Muggins sits here and tells you how to deal with it, or Joe Blogs from along the street tells you that you need to do this. It doesn't matter, because you're going to do it when the time is right. And when the time is right, the spirit world are going to assist you and guide you with it. But please, my friends, please stop not addressing it. It's not going to go away. Stop burying your head in that sand and wishing for it to have not happened the way it did. It's happened now. We deal with it. We move forward with our life. This is what we have to do with living in the present. We can't be living in the past. It isn't healthy for you. It isn't good for your mindset. And I'm going to let you all in on a little secret. If you are somebody who is suffering from a loss of a loved one in spirit, they're not sitting around upset, and that might upset you. But why would they be upset? They're with you each and every... Fun fact, you will see your loved ones more in spirit than what you do once you are alive, which is mental, isn't it? It's absolutely crazy. But there is no limits. The onus is on you, and it's now time for you to look at yourself as a person and know that this is the right time for you to make the relevant changes in your world so that you can start to cope. So that you don't have to be afraid of hearing music that reminds you of them. You don't have to be afraid of crying. You don't... Listen, that's going to happen anyway. But the thing is that you have to understand is the reason why you are afraid to do these things is because it's the accepting. If you are doing that and you're crying, then you're accepting, oh my God. Yes, it's always going to be painful. Yes, it's always going to be sad. But we need to introduce steps into your world so that when you become sad, you understand and acknowledge that, yes, they're gone, but they're still with me. Get what I'm saying? Well, anyway, that was a bit of a different one. Fun one, all the same. Spirit wanted to do that one now. I would like to thank each and every one of you for your continued support. If you did like this video, be sure to drop it a like. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, then I really don't know why not. And until the next time, bye-bye for now.